Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we are going to discuss how to design expressions using the format function in the reporting grid. So let's get started. First, navigate to the reporting section and open the sales register detailed report. Go to Setup Column Attributes to proceed with adding the expression. Before proceeding, we need to make a small change in the configuration. Go to Other Settings and here, set the script editor to VBScript for better performance. By default, whenever you create a new configuration, the script window is set to VBScript. However, if it is not set by default, you can manually go to Other Settings and change it to VBScript. Refresh the report. Once you have saved the configuration, return to the Setup Column Attributes section and click on Add or Edit Expression columns to proceed. Make sure to begin the script with the required keyword at the top, single quotes #L script. This should always be included at the beginning of the script. To define a new expression, simply click on the Add New Expression button. Enter the expression name and select the type, either text or numeric, depending on the nature of the expression. After that, double-click on the newly created expression to insert it into the script editor. Start the expression with the format keyword followed by an opening bracket. In this function, we will use another function, CDate, to convert the string into a proper date format. Open the brackets for CDate, then search for and insert the bill date field from the available columns. After that, close the brackets for the CDate function, add a comma, and define the format in which you want to display the bill date. Finally, close the brackets for the format function. Once the expression is defined, save it. Next, scroll down, check the box to enable the column, and view the result of the defined function in the report. Finally, refresh the report. Based on the specified date format, the new expression displays the bill date. Based on the specified date format, the new expression displays the bill date. Now, let's look at another example of the format function. Define a new expression and choose the expression type as numeric. Insert the new expression into the grid. Then, define the format as done previously. Open brackets and insert the parameter from the given list of columns. After that, insert a comma, and within double quotes, enter #0. Then, define the number of zeros for the required decimal places. For example, if you want to display the rate with 4 decimal places, enter 4 zeros. In this case, let's just add 2 decimal places, so enter #0.00 and then close the brackets. Tick to enable the column in the reporting grid. Now refresh the report. As you can see, the column displays the rate with 2 decimal points. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.